Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some steamed butter fish along with some boiled provision. In this board I have some scallion, parsley leaf, onion, bell pepper, okra. I have some corn, pumpkin that I'm going to be steaming. I have some red snapper fish that I already seasoned up, ready to use. I have some sweet potato and eddos and some breadfruit and some turned plantain. Okay, all this will be using. Alright, so now I'm gonna start by boiling this corn first before I add the potato and everything, and this will be boiling in some coconut milk. Alright, here are the coconut milk. Alright, so I'm going to start to boil the corn first, then I'm going to add the plantain and cassava and the breadfruit, everything inside here with some coconut milk. Stay tuned. So I'm going to make a little dumpling. So I have 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, and I have some warm water. Combine it together, and I'm going to mix this and set it aside. All right. I'm gonna finish mixing this and it come together where you see. All right. So I finish mixing it and I punch a hole in it, and I'm going to cover it down and let it set, raise a little while. I know I didn't mention the egg, but I'm boiling the egg separate. Okay, now that this corn was boiling for like 50 minutes, I'm going to add the coconut milk. All right, and then I'm going to add the breadfruit first. And I'm gonna add the eddo. Just as soon as it starts to boil, I'm gonna add the eddo. So stay tuned. So now we're gonna put the eddo and the sweet potato, the plantain, everything in here, and cover it down. I am not putting any spices in here. Okay, I just put some salt, and the salt must be according to your taste. All right. This egg finished, so I'm gonna put it to cold and then peel it. So everything is in here now. I'm gonna cover this down and let it steam. Okay, and the pumpkin will be steaming by itself. Just gonna add a little salt. Okay, stay tuned. I have a little spinach. I'm gonna add it in the pot. So now I'm gonna bust this and place it to the pot. So I just add it in. So I'm gonna cover this down and let this swell up. So now I have some oil into this cannery, and I'm gonna add some butter. Right, half a stick of butter, and I'm gonna let it melt in. All right, when it finishes melting, I'm gonna fry up the tomato and the carrots. Tomato, I'm gonna let it fry up a little. Add some complete seasoning. Okay, some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna add some carrot wheel into this. I just want it to fry a little. Alright. And some bell pepper. And then we're gonna put this, so let it steam at the top. Alright. So I'm putting the fish at the top. Alright. Just like this. I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just a little bit to let it steam. I'm going to cover this down. This is done. This is done. See this? I'm going to turn it over. Let it cook on both sides 5 minutes each. Okay? Or 6. I will turn it over now. Okay. Oops. Funny. So this is it when I finish. So this is it. When I finish. Okay. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Okay. This is mild provision in coconut milk with butter steamed fish. Okay, delicious. Try it, guys. For all the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description bar down below. All right, thanks for watching.